What's up, everyone? My name is Tina. Before we get into the video, real quick, if you're new here, I create loads of different tutorials about GohighLevel specifically. So have a look around my channel, hit the subscribe button, leave us a like so you can be notified when we upload new videos all the time. Also, if you're thinking about signing up for GohighLevel or if you're thinking about upgrading, there you will find a link which lists all the different bonuses that come with my affiliate offer. HighLevel will pay me a kickback if you sign up through my link, and I will give you loads of different bonuses and resources in return. It doesn't cost you anything more. They will just reward me for it. We have many different bonuses in store depending on what level you're signing up with. If you're signing up from the 97 to the 297 up to the 497 plan, all with us, you get all of the bonuses listed on the page, which includes courses, how to be confident on camera, how to never land in spam. Then agency setup snapshots, meaning a snapshot in GohighLevel language is basically an entire website in this case and automations attached to it. So with one click of a button, you can just import it. Then the reputation AI management snapshot, as well as the support ticket porter snapshot, which comes with over 400 plus white labeled videos that you can just use for your own internal use. That being said, let's dive right into the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Smart Send Email Campaign feature, which will help you to send emails to the best possible time to reach the highest engagement, the highest open rate. This feature works if you've sent at least 1,000 emails in the last 60 days. The AI goes back to this data and figures out when is the highest engagement, when do people open your emails the most, what day and time of the week is best to send them. Let me show you how. So first we want to click on marketing on the left, emails at the top, then select campaigns and either click plus new to create one from scratch or edit an existing one. Then let's assume you have added all your text. Then we want to click send or schedule. And right here you see the button Smart Send. Select that one. Then scroll down and here you see the Smart Send functionality, which is grayed out. So we would need to select contacts first. Click the button. We've selected all the contacts. Great. And now we can click Get Suggestion. Now it's analyzing your data. And here we go. The best possible time for this particular email list is Monday, 1st December, 8 p.m. Now here you've got two options in case you don't like this particular date. Maybe you have another promotion running or you will choose another date. Okay, so let's try again and try a new suggestion and then we'll give me another date. Now let's say you would want to choose a date yourself. You can do that. The calendar will pop up. You can select a date and the time here and then you would just need to hit confirm. You can also decide to send it right now if you wish so. Then once you've sent that campaign, to see the difference, if it actually helped you out, you can go to marketing on the left, emails at the top, click on summaries, and here you see the Smart Send Impact area where you can see the open rate as well as the click rate. And remember, if you haven't signed up for HighLevel yet or you want to upgrade under my affiliate link, you can do so via the links in the description.